Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Sculk blocks. These unique, dark blue blocks are a fascinating addition to your Minecraft world. You'll primarily find them deep underground in the deep dark biome, often near ancient cities. To successfully collect them for your inventory, you'll absolutely need a pickaxe enchanted with Silk touch. Without this crucial enchantment, they won't drop as blocks. Finding the deep dark biome requires a bit of exploration. These biomes generate far below the surface, typically below Y level 0, so prepare for a deep descent. Look for expansive cave systems or carefully dig straight down. The presence of an ancient city is a strong indicator that you've found a deep dark biome, so keep an eye out for those massive structures as you explore the depths. Once you've located Sculk blocks, the key to collecting them is your pickaxe. Make sure it's enchanted with Silk touch. This is absolutely essential. If you try to mine Sculk blocks without this enchantment, they will simply drop experience orbs instead of the block itself. Remember, Sculk catalysts are also found here, and they spread Sculk when any mob dies within an 8-block radius of them. Sculk blocks offer both decorative and functional possibilities. They make for striking building materials with their unique texture and dark blue hue. Beyond aesthetics, Sculk sensors are incredibly useful for redstone contraptions, as they detect vibrations and emit a signal. Be cautious around Sculk shriekers. If activated 4 times, they will summon the formidable warden, so tread lightly in these deep areas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.